to show y'all a few more things in this hive. As you can see, that's just dripping with honey, and that super is completely full. Also, this right here is a lot of drone brood. As I showed y'all earlier, when they pull that brood out like that, there's also drones all over this hive. There's the starting of a queen cell. That's a queen cup. So that means that this hive right here, and they're protecting their house. I've had them open too long trying to get that propolis. As you can see, that's drone brood on that frame. So that's supposed to be signs that they're getting ready to swarm. And hopefully they won't, but I just wanted to show y'all, zoom in on them brood, on that drone brood. And then I don't know if y'all can see all those. Man, they're trying to tear me up. The drones are all over that frame that have already hatched. I wanted to show y'all my wax bucket right here. This is my wax bucket. We got this off of last weekend's work. And so before I melt this down, I'm gonna make beeswax. Boy, that's perfect for beeswax when you can get the burr comb like that. But this right here has honey on it, and so you can eat it if you want to. Show y'all why I call my YouTube channel and my label is Liquid Gold. That's liquid gold right there, straight out of the beehive. Also, all the different things, apologize for getting my hand over the camera. All the different things you can make out of honey. You got mead, you got beeswax, you have honey, you have the propolis, and it's a lot of work involved. So people really don't want honey, but they really don't want bees like they do some of the most valuable stuff. So that's why I really like it. They're really not gonna come out here and steal a beehive like they would a piece of a gold coin, like they would ginseng, or like they would those mushrooms in San Francisco. It's not that valuable, but it's a good barter tool. Try to barter with as many people as I can. You can trade beeswax for soap. You can trade honey for, you can trade it for a lot of stuff. A lot of people are learning about honey. They're learning about propolis. And so it's a good way to get you on the barter system. I'm just gonna feed this wax. I may put some of this wax into my honey. I got a few customers and they want wax in their honey. So you could also put it in your honey, but like if it's old and dry, well, that's not too bad, but if it's old and dry, you don't really want to put it in your honey. Also, I got some frames laying out here. I know I'm kind of skipping around. This frame right here is molded plastic like I was showing y'all. This is a wire frame. I already showed y'all a wire frame. And then this right here is the plastic one that pops in there. These are the kind I like. The wood is more durable than that molded plastic, but then it has the plastic frame. And I'll do a video hopefully of me coating these frames. I'm taking a gamble right here, but it is March and I'm about to I got so much grass out here. We planted this for the cows. These bees will probably take over that real easy. That's one like that where I didn't have any wax in the frames and the bees took it over. Just trying to give y'all ideas, show y'all how I do it.